Surviving a disaster can pose life-threatening scenarios. From cuts and scrapes to burns, fractures, and even heart attacks, a first aid kit is a must-have and is very important to ensure your survival. While a survival first aid kit is one of the easiest to put together in a bug-out bag, every prepper or survivalist who will likely spend extended time in the wilderness knows that a first aid kit is an essential gear that you don't leave home without and should be easily accessible in a bug-out bag. Let's check out our top 10 survival first aid kits that fit your changing outdoor circumstances. The First Aid Only All-Purpose First Aid Kit. This survival first aid kit contains 298 essential medical supplies that are ideal to treat cuts, scrapes, burns, inflammation, and fractures among other injuries in a wilderness scenario. It is designed to render immediate aid for extended outdoor situations until help arrives. Its compact case fits easily in a small compartment of your bug-out bag. Next up is the DeathGat First Aid Kit. The DeathGat First Aid Kit contains essential and upgraded medical supplies that help treat any minor injury. Manufactured in a modern-approved facility, this compact, lightweight, and easy-to-carry survival first aid kit fits perfectly in your go bag or your car glove compartment. Packed inside are band-aids and bandages, and adhesive tape, stainless steel tweezers, and a whole lot more. Third is the EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit. Any potential bone fracture, a bleeding wound, or even hypothermia during an outdoor emergency can be dealt with quickly and with little hassle when you have a first aid kit in your grab bag. The EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit comes with a tactical EMT Nylon Molle IFAK bag that contains 250 pieces of medical gear and supplies such as the Recon Medical Aluminum Combat Tourniquet, a compressed gauze, a medical burn dressing, and much more. Disasters only become deadly when people lack preparedness, and in some circumstances, medical attention may require speed. How about a first aid kit that you can quickly rip away from your backpack or belt? To know more of our top 10 survival first aid kits, click the link in the description below. And visit our website at www.presentdayprepper.com.